The Appropriation Committee considered the detailed provision of the bill and the input received from the head of benefiting MDAs, as well as the leadership of the corresponding subcommittee in the Senate, and recommend as follows. The authorization of the issuance from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the Federation, the aggregate sum of 2,176,791,286.003 only is for the statutory transfer. 18 billion naira is for 18 billion naira only is for the statutory transfer, which is meant for the Independent National Electoral Commission, while the sum of 1,33,471,162.373 only is for the recurrent and non-debt expenditure, while the sum of 1,125,320,123,660 only is for the contribution to the development fund and the capital expenditure for the year ending on 31st day of December 2023.
Distinguished colleagues, a bill for an act to authorize the issue from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the Federation of the total sum of 2,176,791,286,033 naira only, of which 18 billion naira only is for statutory transfers, 1,033,471,162,373 naira is for recurrent non-debt expenditure, while the sum of 1,125,320,123 million, 1,125,323,123,660 million naira only is for contributions to the Development Fund for capital expenditure for the year ending on the 31st day of December 2023. The bill is read for the third time and passed.